So in this video, I'll be showing you guys how to copy your affiliate link on Selar. How to copy your affiliate link on Selar. So once you log into your Selar account, in case you don't know how to create a Selar account, just check the description. There's a link there on how to create a Selar account for yourself. So once you've logged into your Selar account, just come to this hamburger icon up here. So once you click on it, you'll be able to switch between the creator's profile to the affiliate profile. So right now I'm on the creator's profile, so you want to make sure you're on the affiliate profile. So click on the drop down arrow. Once you click on the drop down arrow, then you go to switch to affiliate profile. So once you're in affiliate profile, this is what your dashboard will look like. Do you get? So if there's any link you have, all you need to do is just come to where you have all links. Go to where you have all links. Then this is where you get to copy your affiliate link. So once you're in all the links you have will load up here. So just come to any of the link by swiping left. Then you can see affiliate link here. So that's very simple. Just copy the affiliate link. So I'll just click on copy link address. So once you copy the link, then just ensure that you shorten this link before you send it out to people. So for you to shorten your link, it's just very simple. Just go to your Play Store and download this application. You can see it right here, Rebrandly. So mine is already installed on my phone, so I just open it. So once you download it, just log into the account. Create an account for yourself. Then you log in, and this is what you see on your dashboard. So just cancel this. Then come to where you have this plus icon down here. By clicking on plus, then you just paste the link you just copied. So I just paste that affiliate link I just copied. Once I paste it, this will load up for me. So right here, I can customize the link to whatever I wish. So I just customize mine to whatever I wish. Let me write something random. So you can see I just customized mine. So once I click on create link, so I'll be able to create the link. Can you see? It has created. And just come over here and copy the link and go and save it on your notepad. So basically that is how you get to like copy your affiliate link from Selar and also get to like shorten it and even customize it so that it doesn't look like a spam link when you send it out to people. Do you understand? So peradventure you want to learn how to make sales. You've gotten your affiliate link but you don't know how to make sales. I dropped a link in the description where you can get to connect with me and get to learn how to make sales. If you are struggling to make sales, click on that link right now and you'll be my WhatsApp DM and I'll get to guide you on how to make sales. I guess you got value from this video. If you did, ensure to subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends so that they can also get value from my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.